Hey everybody, how's it going? I want to do something a little different in this video. And if this is successful, I'll make it a series. Because believe me, I have a lot of stories on this. So, what I want to do is anybody who's ever worked retail knows that you get some crazy customers. I mean, some customers are just plain crazy. That's putting it nicely. So, the first one I'm going to talk about is a customer. I was maybe 15 or 16, so we're going back 99, 2000 in that area. And I worked at a lawnmower shop as around that time I was learning to do the repairs, but I was mostly, loading lawnmowers into people's cars. And there was a guy with a relatively new, I'm actually going to see if I can find a picture of it. That would actually be pretty much what it was. Right there. I'm going to do this. He had a 98, 99 Cadillac DeVille, and he actually wanted us to load the lawnmower into his car. Now, normally you'd think it'd be in the trunk. No. He wanted me to load it into the back seat, and I told him I'm not really comfortable doing that. He goes, it's okay, don't worry about it. But this is where things get wild. And this might require a history lesson because many of you might not know this. Excuse me. So he had a lawnmower kind of like this one. A normal lawnmower, pull the rope, or you turn a key or push a button and it'll start. This one here, this red handle here, flips out this way. You can see the hinge right there, so it flips out like that. And then you wind it up. You wind it up, and then you turn the lever back, and that's how it starts the lawnmower. So, what this guy did is, as I'm walking away, I hear him say something. I mean, now you have to remember, this is 20 years ago, roundabout. And so I hear him say something about, let me make sure they don't have it ready to show it starting for them. And next thing I know, I hear this lawnmower start, and I had already loaded it into the back of this guy's car. So what this guy did is started this lawnmower in the back of a brand new Cadillac with leather seats and shredded his back seat. And somehow it was our fault. I don't remember the full details of what actually transpired after he talked to the manager, because the manager was a nice person, but she didn't put up with any BS. So I don't remember the full outcome, but I do remember, like, it ended up with him being pretty much no longer welcome in our shop, and and that was pretty much it. I mean, I have. So let's see. I started working in a lawnmower shop at 14. I'm 35 now. There was a few years where I worked in warehouses, but for most of my life, I've worked retail. Most of my working life. So I have a ton of stories, and if you guys are interested in it, I can make this a series. I don't know about weekly, but a few times a month, or every couple weeks, or maybe even once a month, or something like that. I could dig back into my archives in my brain and and tell you some crazy things. In fact, because I don't really want this to be too short of a video, and I don't want it to be too long of a video either, I'll give a. This isn't necessarily one customer, but a type of customer, because this is something that would happen to us a lot. Guy would come in with a lawnmower or even a snowblower or something, and you know, won't start. Take the gas cap off, stuff in the tank. This thing's mostly water, or it's bad gas that's old. So what we'd end up doing is right in front of the customer, clean out the gas tank. Spray it out, blow it out with air. Literally, just drop the carburetor bowl, spray it out with, and empty. Dry it out. Put fresh gas in. First pull, lawnmower starts. And we tell this guy, do not use any more of the gas that you poured in here. And then, sure enough, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, well, I don't know what's going on. This mower don't run. It ran perfect when you guys were done. Now it don't run again. Like, dude, we literally told you, do not reuse the same gas. Well, how am I supposed to dispose of it? It's like you can get away. Well, this was back in the pre-ethanol days. I don't know if I'd really do it. Now we have ethanol in the fuel. But back in the pre-ethanol days, you could get away with, like, say if you had like a gallon or 2 gallons, even as much as 5 gallons, dump it into your car because you have 4, 6, 8 cylinders to run this on, and it's fuel injection, not carbureted. So that would work better as in a car rather than in a lawnmower. But these are guys, these people, they don't learn. But that's just kind of my stories. I have plenty of them to go around because it looks like I'm about to be leaving the retail job again. So that's kind of why I want to see, hey, if anybody's interested in hearing any of these stories, just let me know. Let me know in the comments below because I would love to. I would love to do a series like that because if I get this other job, I work 4 10-hour days rather than 5 10-hour days, and occasionally 6 10-hour days. You know, so I'd actually have time to make these, and so just let me know what you guys think in the description or in the comments below, and if there's anything on my channel you've seen. I have some Amazon affiliate links down below. I'm gonna have to add at least one more for this webcam. But thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.